Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the fifth module of Microsoft Excel, and the title of this project is Narbonne Suites. It is the Excel Module 5 SAM Project 1A, creating reports from multiple workbooks. Before starting, make sure that you have downloaded these support files because we're going to use them later on. And if you want me to do this assignment for you, feel free to text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. You just need to send me the files over the WhatsApp and I will complete the assignment and then send it back to you. Then you can submit it and get it graded. So it's a very economical service in terms of price. You can text me around the clock. Moving next, let's open the file. Since it says do not update it, you can see right here. So when you open it, they might ask you update, but you do not need to update it. Okay, we can cancel it right there. Okay, moving to step number 1, that is Edra Kinsman is a sales manager for Narbonne Suites hotel chain, which has locations in Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and Montana. Edra is using multiple worksheets to summarize sales data by state. Okay. Break the external link in the worksheet so that the formulas in the B4 and B7 of the manager information worksheet are replaced to static values. Then switch to manager. Okay. So first of all, we are going to break the links. Okay. So for this, you can go to the formula tab, and even you can do like this. You can click on the links, and here you can see a link is already there. So we just need to break it. Okay. Break links. That's it. Close it. Now the values in B4 to B7, you can see those are static ones. Now it says switch to manager information worksheets. We are already there. Moving to step number 2, that is in cell C5, remove the hyperlink, leaving the unlinked text Bozeman empty in the cell. So we are going to remove the hyperlink from cell C5. First of all, we locate where is C5. This is cell C5. So right click there and scroll to bottom. Here you will find remove hyperlink option. Just click it. Moving to step number 3, that is in cell D7, create a hyperlink to the email address as follows. Okay, link to the email address as this is the email address to which we are linking. So just copy it and click in D7 right there. Right click there, go to the link option, and here you have to specify where you are linking. Since we are linking to an email address, so we will click here. Okay, and here we will paste the email address to which we are linking it, and use washingtonmgr@example.com as a text to display. So again, you are going to copy, and you can also type as well, and you have to click here text to display. Just click here, remove that, and paste it. That's it. And the next one is email the statewide manager for Washington as a screen tip. So again, copy it. Here you will find a screen tip. Click here and paste it. So now basically we have linked this D7 to an email address, and here if you point your mouse here, you will get a screen tip right there. Moving to step number 4, that is in cell B9, create a hyperlink to the Narbonne Suites location listing as follows. Okay, link to the location worksheet, and this should be the text to display. So I'm just copying the text to display, and in B9, this is B9, we are going to link it to already a Word document which we have stored it, this one, locations, and we are going to remove this, and this should be the text to display, and view the current list of Narbonne Suites location as a screen tip. So again, copy this and put the screen tip and here paste it. Okay, we are done with this step as well. Moving to step number 5, that is edit the hyperlink in cell B10 as follows. Okay, this is B10. So right click there and go to the edit hyperlink. Now we are going to do use Narbonne Suites website as a text to display. And use view the public facing website for Narbonne Suite as a screen tip. That's it. Moving to step number 6, Edra wants to apply consistent formatting to the worksheets submitted by each of the statewide managers. Group the Idaho, Montana, and Origin worksheets together and then make the following formatting updates. So first of all, we are going to group these worksheets, Idaho, Montana, and Origin. So whenever you are asked to group any worksheet, click here and after this press the control key and select those worksheets which you want to group. Now all of these are grouped, you can see. All of these have the same structure, so if you apply any formatting to any one of those, all the 3 sheets will be applied with the same formatting. I hope you got it. Now says change the font size in the merge range A1 to F1 as 18 points. This is the range A1 to F1, and we're going to change the font size to 18. Go to the Home tab, and here you can increase the font size to 18. Now you can see this has been applied to this one as well. It is 18 and this one is also 18. Because they are grouped, so if you apply any change to one of the sheets, all the sheets will be having the same formatting. Apply the 20% accent 6 cell styles to the merge range A2 to F2. Now select A2 to F2, cell styles, accent 6, 20%. This one. That's it. Bold the values in the range A6 to A10. Bold it. Now apply the accounting number format with 0 decimal places and a dollar sign to B6 to F10. First of all, select the range B6 to F10. Click on the numbers group in the Home tab. Click accounting number format. And here you need to specify the decimal as 0 and specify the dollar sign as well. As per the instruction, you can see dollar sign with 0 decimal places. So click OK. Accounting number 0 decimal dollar sign. That's it. Resize the column width of column B to F to 12. So select the column B up till F and right click there. Click column width and specify 12 as a column width. Do not ungroup the worksheets. Okay, we are not ungrouping it. See how many steps we have. 16 of total. Okay, Moving to the next step, that is, with the Idaho, Montana, and Origin worksheets still grouped, update the worksheet as follows. In cell A6, change the text in person to read walk up. A6 should be walk up. In cell A9, change the text other to read other referrals. Again, it says do not ungroup the worksheets. Okay. With the Idaho, Montana, and Origin worksheets were still grouped, create a formula as follows. Create a formula in cell B10 using sum function that totals the sale for Q1. Put an equal sign, sum function, and total the range Q1. Copy the formula from the range to C10 to E10. Again, copy it. Select the range where you apply to this formula, C10 to E10. That's it. Now it says ungroup the worksheets and then check to confirm the formatting and the formulas. Okay. So whenever you ask to ungroup it, there are two ways. If you click any other sheet other than grouped, it will be automatically ungrouped. But the right way is right click there and ungroup the sheets. That's it. Now you can see all of those have the same formatting as we applied to this sheet because they were grouped. Moving to step number 9, that is, Edra wants to create a copy of the formatted Origin worksheets to use for the Washington section of the chain sale data. Create a copy of the Origin worksheets between Origin worksheet and consolidated worksheets, and then update the worksheet as follows. So we are going to create a copy of the Origin worksheet. This is the Origin worksheet, and it should be placed between Origin and consolidated. Okay, so copy it, right click here, copy it, and here you need to click the copy, and here you need to click the consolidated state sales. So it will be placed between Origin and consolidated. You can see. Change the worksheet name to Washington. So right click there, copy it, and you can rename it. That's it. Edit the text to read Washington in the merged range A2 to F2. Since this is a Washington worksheet, so this should be changed. Clear the contents in the range B6 to E9. B6 to E9. Okay, this should be clear. So you can see we have only cleared this section, but those values are already gone. This is why, because those values were based on these cells which we already cleared. I hope you got it. I think that's it for this video. It's long enough. If you want me to do the next part of it, do text me. And if you want me to do those assignments for you, just feel free to text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. I will complete all those assignments for you and send it back to you. Then you can just submit it. So it's a very economical service, and also it's available 24/7, so you can text me around the clock. Do subscribe to my channel for the next videos, and do save my number. Okay, if you need any sort of help regarding Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, business analytics, or finance related projects, you can text me. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care.